Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. I hope you are doing well. Today I'll be showing you how to use an API called Cloud Service IP Check. So what this API does is very simple. So it takes in an IP address and checks if this IP address is associated with AWS, Azure, Oracle Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, or DigitalOcean. So you just put in an IP address and test this endpoint, and it gives you back the information of which cloud service that IP address is associated with. So to try Cloud Service IP Check, come over to rapidapi.com/organization/Hailbytes. I'll leave a link to this in the description below, and just click on Cloud Service IP Check. Then go over to pricing and subscribe to start using this for free. So once you subscribed, come over to endpoints and let's try this out. So I'll scroll down to the request body here, and I'll just select one of the examples. Let's select GCP, that's Google Cloud Platform. Then you can do the basic things. If you want to use this code outside of Rapid API, you can just select a code you want here and use this in your own software or in your own script. So let's test this out and let's see what this gives us. So this returns 6 items and we have a true match for GCP. So this shows that this IP 35.204.6.153 is associated with the Google Cloud Platform. So this is a very cool API you can use to check the cloud provider a particular web app or a particular service uses. So if you just have the IP address of that web app, you can use an API like Subdomain Scan to get the IP address information of a website and its subdomains, the IP address of its subdomains. So if you have the IP address of a web app or a website, you can just put it in here and check the cloud service that IP address is associated with. So that's Cloud Service IP Check. So this is a very simple one. It's a very basic API you can start using for free. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to also follow our LinkedIn page, Hailbytes. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.